In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of OneDrive Unlink PC. In Windows 11, first, make sure you're on your Windows desktop so you can see the taskbar clearly. Look to the lower right corner of your screen in the System tray area on the taskbar. Find the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be a white or blue cloud. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. Click the OneDrive icon to open the flyout. When the OneDrive panel opens, click it again to bring up the full menu and controls if needed. You're looking for the gear-shaped icon for settings. Click the gear, then choose settings from the menu. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can manage your account and sync options. Taking a moment here is helpful because this is where you control how OneDrive behaves on your PC. Inside the settings window, look to the left side and select account. This tab shows which Microsoft account is currently connected to OneDrive on your computer, along with options for folders and storage. To sign out of OneDrive on this device, click Unlink this PC. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Read the message so you know exactly what will happen next, then click Unlink Account to confirm. After you unlink, OneDrive stops syncing files between this PC and your cloud storage. Your existing files that are already on this computer will remain in your OneDrive folder locally, but they won't update to the cloud, and changes in the cloud won't download to this device anymore. Nothing in the cloud is deleted by this action. You're simply disconnecting this computer from the sync relationship. If you ever want to reconnect, just open OneDrive again from the Start menu or the cloud icon, sign in with your Microsoft account, and pick your folders to sync. As a quick tip, if you manage multiple devices, unlinking is a clean way to pause sync on one machine without affecting any others. Also, if you're troubleshooting sync issues, this unlink and relink process can often reset things without losing files. That's it. You've successfully signed out of OneDrive by unlinking your PC in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to move on to your next task with confidence.